Megan.
Please, bitch, do not try to cap on me. Like I ain't the hottest out naturally. I go anywhere in my t-shirt and chain, ho, killing shit casually. Like I ain't the hardest in Houston. Like bitches ain't hanging to use me. Like niggas ain't begging to do me. From ballers to rappers, they bitches included, huh?
Yes, I am back. It has been a long ass time. I have been gone for how long? I've been gone for 4 months. But yeah, I'm back. But as you can tell by the title, we are doing a reaction video to Megan Thee Stallion's Thot shit. It's about time Megan is dropping. It's hot girl summer. We need the music. We need another album, or at least the EP, Megan. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Man, fuck that. I said what the fuck I said. Period.
But without further ado, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. And comment down below some YouTube video ideas you want me to do. And let's hop into the video. Go. I'm so happy she's finally back. She's been gone from social media for so long. It's like the 90s type thing. Not the old man listening to Body.
Stupid, aggressive whores have their mouth washed out with holy water.
Be the main ones that be wanting to have sex with them. See, it be the corporate people.
Hello?
Look, motherfucker.
The women that you accidentally trying to step on, or everybody that you depend on.
They treat your diseases.
Come on, Tina Snow.
They haul your trash.
They try to be ambulances. They guard you while you sleep. They control
Every part of your life. Do not
fuck with them.
Don't play with Tina Snow, baby.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Jon. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my
Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Why the fuck you in the club when niggas wild? I've been listening.
Megan!
Order 42 for the table, let's pop shit. Missionary or dice style on my top shit. Pussy ass niggas hating on me from the club.
Yeah!
Shit, I guess I can relate, cause the bitch spit a whole lot of venom. And since these hoes all rich, when they come around me, all I see is a whole lot of dinner. I walk around the house, butt naked in the
Yeah!
just stare at my own posterior. I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back. The bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh
Yeah!
shit.
The new twerk music!
Hands on my knees, shaking
Oh my god! Come on, Megan. Yeah, come on, knees.
I love it when a nigga got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, how I'm ordering CCs. Go to your place, no case, no case. Ain't 9% tent in a blacked out race. I remember hoes used to clap for me happily. Now I'm bossed up and the same hoes mad at me. Acting like they ride whole time trying to pass me. Watching me go through it, still trying to drag me. Acting like you winning if you think about it actually. Are they supporting you or really just attacking me? I don't give a fuck about a blog trying to bash me. I'm the shit per the recording academy.
Yeah!
Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Drinking out the motherfucking bottle on my thigh shit. Everything I eat goes straight to my pockets. 2021 finna graduate.
Oh my god. I'm in love with this.
Fucking on a nigga, make him sing on some pop shit. I need a real headbang on some rock shit. Pussy like crack when they hit it like dope. Got a real hot box, but a bitch don't smoke. Hot girl, but I'm still a coldest. Hey, I'm
Hot girl.
but I ain't the oldest. Bitch dry, ain't trying to get noticed. Man, ain't nobody come to see you, Otis. Look, how many bitches lying if they say they want us better? They really puppet, so I really gotta go at your pet. I'm really talking, but it really can apply to whoever. My finna free, get a go after a bitch or a nigga. Big bang, take little bang, bitch, add it up. Hoes taking shots, but they ain't in my caliber book. But I squeeze a little head in my calendar, looking in the mirror like, damn, I'm bragging up. LVs,
Yeah.
Birkins,
My chain ain't hitting if a bitch ain't hurt.
It's the knees, it's the booty for me.
I know two things for certain. None of these hoes saying shit to my face, and none of these hoes finna see me at the bank. And I'ma keep talking all the shit that I want. Now damn when these hoes come tell me I can't. We ain't even speaking if the nigga ain't spinning. He can never say that I was one of his.
We ain't even speaking if the nigga ain't spinning.
Damn if you think you popping up on this pimp. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees.
Yeah. 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 Oh my. Like, she killed this.
Oh, Lord Jesus, thank you for making that into my life.
Megan disappeared. She went on a hiatus. She went on a hiatus for some months and came back and stepped on you next. Like, hello? Megan is killing the game. Megan is killing the game. She's killing the game. She came back and snapped. Hot girl, Grammy. This is a Grammy. This deserves a Grammy. Grammy. Let's get it on the charts. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna calm down. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. And I will see you guys for the next video. Peace.
Please, bitch, do not try to cap on me. Like I ain't the hottest, I naturally. I go anywhere in my t-shirt and chain, ho, killing shit casually.